Let me ask you something. If someone asks you, what are your plans for tomorrow? Do you say, I go tomorrow, I will go, and then you feel confused? Don't worry. Today in day 6, you will learn how to talk about your future plans clearly, naturally, and confidently. After this lesson, you will speak about tomorrow like a confident English speaker. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to my NEU English channel and English speaking day 6. In this channel, I am teaching a 30-day English speaking course. This course is for beginners, students, and anyone who understands English but cannot speak. I will speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. If you follow this course daily, your English speaking will improve. Future tense is used for tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, future plans, goals. If something has not happened yet, we use future tense. Example, yesterday I went to school. Today I go to school. Tomorrow I will go to school. That is the difference. The easiest way to talk about the future is will plus base verb. Structure: I will go, you will study, she will work, they will play. Examples: tomorrow I will wake up early, I will complete my work, I will practice English. Very easy, no changes in the verb, just will plus base verb. We use going to when we already have a plan. Structure: subject plus is, am, or plus going to plus base verb. Examples: I am going to study tonight. She is going to visit her friend. They are going to travel next week. Difference: will, decision now, going to, already planned. Both are correct, both are natural. Now listen carefully, repeat after me. Tomorrow I will wake up at 7 a.m. I will go for a short walk. Then I will have breakfast. After that I am going to work on my goals. I am going to practice English for 1 hour. In the evening I will spend time with my family. At night I will prepare for the next day. This is natural, confident English. For will, use will not or won't. Examples: I will not be late. I won't waste my time. For going to, I'm not going to skip practice. She is not going to travel tomorrow. Very simple. To ask questions, will plus subject plus base verb. Examples: will you come tomorrow? Will she call you? Answers: yes, I will. No, I won't. For going to, are you going to study tonight? Is he going to travel? Answer: yes, I am. No, I am not. I will going tomorrow. Wrong. I will go tomorrow. Right. I am going to study. Wrong. I am going to study. Right. She will goes. Wrong. She will go. Remember, after will always base verb. Now your homework. Speak about your plans for tomorrow for 1 minute. Use tomorrow I will, I am going to, next week I will, in the future I will. Do not stop. Confidence grows when you speak. If you can speak about yesterday, past tense, today, present tense, tomorrow, future tense, then you can speak about your whole life in English. You are improving step by step. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep improving. This was day 6, future tense, talking about plans. If this lesson helped you, like the video, comment below. I will practice daily. Subscribe the channel for day 7. See you in the next day. Goodbye.